Hello, young explorers. Dive into an exhilarating journey where the sandy shores meet muddy trails in this delightful safari adventure. Join us as sea creatures and farm animals embark on a muddy escapade filled with laughter, discovery, and valuable lessons for young explorers. Join the fun-filled learning activities as children discover the wonders of nature and marine life. From identifying sea creatures to learning about farm animals, so let's go. Our first animal feature is the horse. The fastest recorded speed of a horse is around 55 miles per hour. The thoroughbred is known for its speed and is a popular breed for horse racing. Horses have a unique dental structure. Now get ready for the sheep adventure. There are over 1000 different breeds of sheep worldwide. These breeds vary in size, color, and the quality of their wool. Sheep have good memories, they can remember faces and complex spatial structures for years. And our next muddy creature is reindeer. Reindeer are well adapted to survive in harsh Arctic conditions, including extreme cold temperatures and limited food availability. Both male and female reindeer grow antlers, making them unique among deer species. Meet the furry superstars dog. Dogs serve in various roles including search and rescue, herding, and as loyal family pets. The lifespan of a dog varies by breed and size. On average, smaller breeds tend to live longer than larger ones. Let's dive into the world of wolves. Wolves are carnivores and primarily hunt large ungulates such as deer, elk, and moose. Wolves are highly intelligent animals. They demonstrate problem-solving skills, strategic thinking in hunting, and wolves are highly adaptable animals. Unveiling the chicken life cycle. While domesticated chickens are not known for their flying abilities, they can fly short distances and perch on low branches or roost. Chickens come in a variety of feather colors and patterns. Some breeds have a striking plumage, while others are more subdued. Curious creatures, the hyena. Hyenas are efficient hunters and have been observed working together in groups to bring down large prey. They are also known for scavenging, often taking over kills made by other predators. Hyenas are known to hunt and kill large prey. Discovering the wonders of a unique llama. Llamas are large, long-necked mammals with a camel-like shape. They have a distinctive appearance with a long face, large eyes, and long ears. Adult llamas typically stand between 5.5 to 6 feet tall at the shoulder. Discovering the charisma of pandas. Pandas are generally solitary animals, with adult males and females coming together primarily during the breeding season. Pandas have a diet that is primarily herbivorous. They mainly eat bamboo, but they may also consume small mammals or birds occasionally. Let's move on to the next animal, which is seal. Seals are divided into three main families: true seals, eared seals, and the walrus. Seals are found in both polar and temperate waters. Seals have streamlined bodies and powerful limbs adapted for swimming. And next is Queen of the Wilderness, Lioness. Lionesses are strong and agile, with powerful bodies that enable them to take down and carry prey that can be as heavy as themselves. They have sharp claws and strong jaws, making them effective predators. Let's see what our next animal is. Oh, that is octopus. Octopuses are considered to be highly intelligent invertebrates. They exhibit problem-solving abilities and can learn through observation. They have complex nervous systems with a large brain relative to their body size. Journeying forward to the black bears. Despite their large size, black bears can be surprisingly fast and agile. They are capable climbers and swimmers, and some species are known for their ability to run at relatively high speeds. Several bear species are listed as vulnerable or endangered. The melodic lives of coastal crabs. Crabs belong to the order Decapoda, which means 10-footed. There are over 6,800 species of crabs, and they come in various shapes and sizes. Crabs inhabit a wide range of environments, including oceans, freshwater, and terrestrial areas. Get ready for the bull edition. Bulls are known for their sometimes aggressive behavior, especially during mating season or when they feel threatened. In some cultures, bullfighting is a traditional sport, particularly in Spain and some agricultural settings. The next stop on our animal safari. Ducks. Ducks are omnivores and their diet can include aquatic plants, small fish insects, and even small amphibians. They often feed by dabbling on the water's surface. While ducks are known for their quacking sounds, not all ducks quack. Under the shell, a close look at the turtle. Turtles can be found in a variety of habitats, including oceans, rivers, lakes, and land. Different species of turtles have adapted to different environments. Many turtle species have long lifespans. Some can live for several decades, and a few species can even reach a century or more. Unveiling the stories of geese. Geese are known for being protective parents, and they will fiercely defend their goslings from potential threats, including predators and humans. Geese are primarily herbivores, and their diet includes grasses, aquatic plants, and sometimes small invertebrates. Icy giants. A closer look at the polar bears. Polar bears are primarily found in the Arctic Circle, including the Arctic Ocean, its surrounding seas, and surrounding landmasses such as Greenland, Canada, Russia, Norway, and the United States, Alaska. Let's move to our next animal, and our next animal is camel. There are two main species of camels, the dromedary camel, which has one hump, and the Bactrian camel, which has two humps. Dromedary camels are more common in North Africa and Middle East, while Bactrian camels are found in Central Asia. Let's go to our next animal, and our next animal is cow. Cows are herbivores and primarily graze on grass and other plants. They have a complex digestive system with 4 stomachs, allowing them to break down tough plant materials. Female cows, known as heifers when young and cows when mature, produce milk. They have been shown to solve problems solved Let's go to the next animal, elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals on earth. The African elephant is larger than the Asian elephant. Adult male African elephants can weigh up to 14,000 pounds, while Asian elephants generally weigh between 4,500 to 11,000 pounds. Let's move on to the next animal, and our next animal is alligator. Alligators have a remarkable ability to survive in colder temperatures. American alligators are generally larger than Chinese alligators. American alligators can reach lengths of 10 to 15 feet. Oceanic wonders, let's discover the big dolphin. Dolphins are powerful swimmers and can reach speeds of up to 60 km per hour. Dolphins are carnivores and feed on a variety of fish and squid. Some species like the killer whale also hunt marine mammals, including seals and sea lions. Dolphins are found in oceans and seas around the world. Thank you for watching our Sea Animals and Farm Animals Muddy Adventure for Kids episode. Don't miss out on the sandy safari fun. Subscribe now and embark on a learning journey filled with laughter, discovery and muddy adventures with our sea and farm animal friends. Until the next muddy adventure, bye bye young explorers.